Another way to assess the anxiety of an animal in the open field is by placing it in the center of the field, which always is done at the start of the experiment, and then look whether the animal is actually freezing, like sitting like this, not moving at all in the center of the field because it's so anxious and fearful about the open field and being out in the open. So because we start with that for every animal anyway, you can measure the latency to leave the central square of the open field. And obviously the longer that latency is, the more fearful and the more the animal engages in freezing behavior, which is a classic example of anxiety and fear, the more anxious like behavior the animal is expressing. So in addition to the time spent in the central square after the animal initially leaves the central square, of course, is a measure of anxiety. So the more they spend in the center, the less anxious they are. But initially, when the animal is placed in the open field, the more time they take to leave the central square usually means that they're more fearful and they freeze a lot more, and therefore need more time to leave the center of the open field.